warning Zimbabwe, the Minister of Tourism must cease its lies at deceit. Barbara Rozi and Tongai Mnangagwa, stop spinning nonsense. You are shamelessly skunks of deceit. Tell the nation the truth. That statue was never a symbol of national heritage and pride, but a dark ritual of idiot and sorcerers destroying our nation. You cannot polish evil and call it heritage. You cannot clothe witchcraft in marble and name it pride. Sanapenda mashuku arubuda pangwa inwe. Anakirina mjati vachikula up for the truth. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Anindramira chiti, that statue of Mbuya Neanda has been twisted into a ritual monument by Masonams Mnangagwa who thrive on blood and deception. That statue, the image of Myanihanda, was not raised in honor but in ritual. It stands as a dark covenant between idiot and his demons, a monument of blood and bondage, not of freedom. Tell Emerson, the pretender upon the throne, that his season of sorcery draws to an end, for the cries of the oppressed rise higher than his chants in secret places, and the blood of the poor shall testify against him. Our police that guard the ritual have been bewitched into servitude, while ED feasts on their sorrow and misery of confusion, while the nation staggers beneath a curse disguised as throne. That statue is not a blessing upon our nation, it is a curse, hence the police protection. Verily, I can assure you, the day is coming, yes, the day is cleansing the evil, when that statue shall fall, and with it the spell that darkened our land shall be broken. Zimbabwe shall rise again, free from ritual and from deceit, reborn in the light of truth and the spirit of our ancestors. Zimbabwe will be led in truth, not witchcraft. Zimbabwe will be exorcised from the demons of Emerson Mnangagwa. Ndo mashukuru pangwa ina itagwanana kirina mjati tutse mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitwichi. Pena comment section yedu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.